Hi there, have you made your New Year's resolution for 2022 for your creativity and your art yet? I've made a little baby one and I'll show you what the results of it first of all are. I've decided to pick up my paintbrush or my pencil every single day for the next 7 days. So this is my results of yesterday. I decided to just do a bit of a fun outline of something that looks a bit like a camel, vaguely, a bit cartoony, and then just throw in some nice watercolor colors and mingle them in together. And this is on nice cotton rag paper. So a ton of fun, and just to have a bit of fun, it only takes 5 or 10 minutes each day. And so that was my artwork for 01012022. So today is 02012022. So what are you going to do for today? I haven't decided what I'm going to paint today. Sometimes I don't know when I sit down. So long as I sit down, get a brush in my hand, then the ideas will come to me. So tell me what your New Year's resolutions are related to your creativity. And anyone who'd like to join me on this 7-day challenge, 7 days is easy. 7 days of picking up a pencil or picking up a paintbrush. Come and join in and show me what you're doing. Thanks for watching.